Hi everybody, Grandpa here. Well, I tell you what, we're back. They say it's going to work. We'll see. Let's head on over at the easel and paint the body of our bird in. Okay, I'll meet you there. And we have returned. They promised me everything is going to operate correctly now. We'll see. Okay, so what I've done is I have dampened down the body of the bird, okay, and I'm using a cadmium yellow medium. It's a medium yellow rather than like a lemon yellow because I want this to really stand out, okay? And we are just getting the yellow on the body set in like this, so our bird will stand out. Now we'll come back in and we can just kind of darken down a little of our yellow. I've got some mauve here, okay, so we can just darken it down like on this side here, and that will help give the bird some roundness. We'll kind of run it over here too, like that, okay? There we go. And now I'll just come in here, I'll just kind of blend, just like that. Let those two colors work together, okay? And that's a good start on this. Now tomorrow we'll work some more on the bird. We'll do some work on the head, okay? So be with me tomorrow, and remember that I love you, I love you, I love you.